Facebook Ad Objective Explain for 2025. Here is a full guide to choosing the right campaign goal. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Moped Media YouTube channel. My name is Morii, and in this video, I'm going to go over the different campaign objectives based on your goal. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by Facebook ad objectives, you came to the right video. So whether if you're just starting out or you have been using Ad Manager for a while, choosing the right campaign objective can be very confusing. So in this video, I'm going to break down each of the Facebook ad objectives using the updated interface. So that way you can see, or you're able to pick what campaign objective you want to use with confidence without wasting a lot of money. So let's go ahead and get into this. So as you can see here, I am logged into my Facebook Ads Manager, and I hang out mainly on the campaign level. So as you can see, I'm in my back office and I have the campaign, I have ad sets and ads. So for this video, I'm only focusing on the campaign to pick a campaign objective. So I go to create, just hit that green button, and then I have about 6 different options to choose from. So as you can see here, I have the campaign objective: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, ad promotion, and sales. Now, I'm going to be going over all of these. And if you're wondering what buying type is up here at the top, what the difference between auction and reservation is, just be sure to check out another video I made. I will leave it in the description, or you can see it in the cards. But I made a video explaining the difference between these two. So make sure to check that out. All right. So the first one that we have is awareness. So this objective, the awareness campaign objective, is designed to get your brand in front of as many people as possible. So as you can see here, we have awareness, and let me click on it without it moving. So we have awareness, and then what is this good for? It's good for reach. So we're able to reach a large number of people without forcing on behavior, without focusing on behavior or intent. So this is great if you want to have mass exposure. Now, with brand awareness, this normally targets users that are likely to remember your brand. So it's ideal if you want to build visibility without needing clicks or conversions. All right. So the next one that we have is video views. So for video views, we're able to optimize for people who tend to watch videos on Facebook and Instagram. So it's best to use this if you want to share engaging video content. And the last one out of awareness is location awareness. So location awareness is very similar to brand awareness, but we're focused on the local audience. So it's perfect for a brick and mortar type of business. All right. So next we have traffic. So traffic objectives are good for driving people to your website or your app. So the first one that we have is link clicks. Link clicks can send your ad to people who frequently click on ads. So this is ideal for blog posts, articles, or general traffic. Okay, next we have landing pages. Landing page views. This is very similar to link clicks, but this is optimized for users who wait for the page to fully load. So that if they're waiting for the page to fully load, then they're more likely better quality traffic. Okay. And the reason why I say that is because Unfortunately, we live in a day and age where people's attention spans are not that long, and that's why having page speed is so important, because if your page takes longer than 3 seconds to load, number one, your likeliness of them bouncing it gets higher, and then number two, your credibility kind of goes down, because then they think there's something wrong with your website. So just keep that in mind. Next, we have Messenger. Messenger optimizes for users that are likely to message your business. So this is useful if you offer if your offer requires a direct message to claim. All right, and then I know it's kind of, oh, you can see it. So we have calls. That's the last one. For calls, this encourages users to call your business directly. So this is best for local service providers or businesses with a call center. All right, moving on. So next we have the engagement objectives. So the engagement objectives aims to get users to interact with your content. So we have a few things. So for Messenger and Instagram DMs, so this is very similar to the Messenger objective in traffic, but this includes Instagram. So this is ideal for audience engagement in the DMs. Next, we have the video views again. This is also available here, but Facebook overlaps this with awareness. So if you want people to engage by watching, then you will want to use this version of it. Next, we have post engagement. Post engagement targets users who like, comment, or share your posts. So this is great for boosting visibility and credibility through social proof. And then next we have conversion. So conversion is underneath engagement as well, but this focuses on a smaller action like viewing content or contacting your business or adding to a wish list, but not, a full purchase. So next we have leads. So the lead objective is designed to it's all about collecting users' information like their names, their emails, and their phone numbers. So the first one that we have is Instant Form. A Instant Form opens directly in the Facebook app, and it's seamless and great for capturing leads quickly. And then the next one that we have is Messenger. Again, we have this one in the lead objective as well, but this optimizes for users who are comfortable starting a conversation where they may have to give their contact information. And then the next one that we have is conversion. Conversions, again, it's similar to the last objective, but here the conversions, it's when a user will click your ad and they visit your landing page and they submit their information, and this is what we consider like the classic lead generation flow. So next we have the app promotion. Now the app promotion is good for app installs. So the app promotion objective is only relevant if you have a mobile app. So here we have the app installs. So this is good for targeting users that will likely download your app. And then we have next the app event, which is good for targeting users who've downloaded your app and engage specific actions like they've made a purchase or they're on the level of completion to make a purchase. All right, and then last but not least, we have sales. So sales is all about focusing on driving purchases. So first we have conversion. If this thing will move out the way, but it's right there, but this box keeps on getting in the way of it. But for conversions, it's good for optimizing for users who are most likely to make a purchase. So you can use this if you're selling a product or service. Next, we have catalog sales. Now for catalog sales, this is great for e-commerce. So this will dynamically show your products to interested users. All right. Next, we have messenger sales, which is for businesses that close sales in the messenger. So this is great for a personalized selling. Next, we have calls. Calls, again, we've seen it listed in different campaign objectives, but here it's also listed here. Though the difference from the earlier version is in this version, it's minimal unless you're doing advanced tracking. Okay, so there you have it. I know it was a lot. I try to keep this video underneath 15 minutes, but that's a wrap. We've covered all the 22 Facebook ad objectives, and I know it was a lot, but I hope I made everything clear. So next time you open your ads manager, you'll know exactly which objectives fit your goal. So if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. And if you want me to cover another topic, just let me know. I've made a video going over the different buying options or buying types. And I've also made different videos just understanding the difference between campaigns, ad set, and ads. So be sure to check that out as well. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this content, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.